Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a ballpoint pen and to do quick sketch. Check it out. We're going to draw this fishing boat. It's a great technique just to quickly lay some ideas down on a page. I think you're going to like it. My name's Kurt. I'm a dad who draws. Come on, let's get to work. All right, we're just going to draw it from the screen there. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and start with a, remember, composition, shape, details, okay? All right, there's my frame. Okay, so the water horizon line is in the bottom third. All right. So I'm just going to drop that down. And now the boat. Let's get into this boat here. Now I'm just kind of looking at the negative shape over here. So what is this? Negative shape is about like that, right? On this side over here. And then I'm going to come up way over here. And I can see the stern is just about like that. You see that? There's the bottom of my boat. There's the top of my boat. That's my shape. Okay, look at these mountains. These mountains kind of, this tree line in the back is kind of like this. You see that? Now this is a fishing boat. So you can see like, right, it has this mast right here. Look at this square shape over here, right? So let's just drop that mast down just like that. And then remember, this is just a quick sketch. So then we have another mast here. There's another one right there. It has this box here that they use for this radar. Look at that. It's kind of like right there. So I'm just dropping in, just breaking it down just a bit. Okay, look at that cabin now. That cabin is like another square. Here's the shape of it. I'm just not overly worried about it. Then it has this stack. It's not like I don't know what this is. This might be like a place where the fisherman guy can go up and try and spot fish maybe, right? All right, let's keep going here. So then we have the roof. I see the roof is kind of this shape here. Keep moving. Even if you don't like what you're doing, you just got a picture. A picture will have a life of its own. Still, we're just dropping in shapes here. Okay, look at the back of this boat here. You look at this. This has a weird shape going on. So it's like this, and it's like this. It's like that. Okay. I just broke that big shape down a little bit. Look, this is all in deep shadow. This has a round. Look at that round. Must be where they keep like their cable or something, right? I am not a fisherman, so I have no idea what this is. Maybe a cable to pull up their net. Then this wheelhouse here, it has a lighter tone. And then it lightens up as it comes around the corner here. This window here is a dark value. And this window is also a dark value. Whoop! There he is! Take a second, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Woo! All right, let's get back to work. All right, what else do we see? Okay, we see some like mechanical things up top here, right? And it looks like there's a hose wrapped. So that's an interesting shape right there. All right, if I look closely at this, it has this other rail. It's not a railing. It's just the way that the hole is being split up there. See, I'm just splitting the shape up. And then there's another one down here. This little shape here for where they might stand. This also is tone on the outside, and then it changes. You see that? And the top part is like a blue color. So that just changes in value just a little bit. Now the side of the boat also is in tone. It matches this over here. So let's just quickly drop. I'm just going to use my pencil, my ballpoint pen here, and just move across the whole entire hole. All right, this little radar thing is a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to come in here and make some adjustments to this. There's also some mechanical elements here, and I'm just kind of putting some odd shapes there. there's a naming on the side of this boat here. And to do type, a lot of times I'll just do 2 lines and do some squiggle on the inside. Now, this bottom side of the boat, look at this. This is even a darker value here. Look at that. And there's some weird other shapes out here on the bow of the boat. What's going on there? Okay, so we're just going to add some detail here. This mechanics. I don't know what this is. It might be just parts of the ocean there or something, right? All right, I can see this lighter area of the dock here, so I'm just going to drop a little shape there. There seems to be some type of mechanical device right there coming in. Now, there's a boat that's behind it, but I personally don't want to give that a lot of... this is the boat that I'm most interested in. So all I'm going to do is really kind of just outline this form back here. Without saying too much at all. Look at that. You know, one of the best things that you could do in order to improve is to draw a little bit every day.
I've got this great membership class called the Daily Draw.
We get together every day for about 30 minutes. I go live in the afternoon, and we cover all things that have to do with drawing. If you stuck with this for 3 months, I guarantee you're going to be far more confident in your drawing. Link is in the description. Check it out. All right, let's get back to work. I can see also there's some like cables or a lot of these fishing masts or whatever they are. I don't know what they are, but there's cables this is interesting. They kind of break up. You see that? They break up the design of the page. It's quite nice, actually. There's even I like this. I don't know where this is coming from, but it's like a rope ladder. Lots of ropes and cables that are hanging down. All right, let's keep going now. I'm just going to put some more junk in this boat, right in here. Yours may not need this extra junk, but I'm just going to add it in here. All right. Looking at the distance back here, there's a shape. You see that shadow of the it's right there. See that shadow right there? And then I just see these like odd shapes. They could be more boats. I think they're more boats, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put in a couple little objects back here because they're way in the distance. And then these trees, I'm just going to come in here with a lighter tone here. I'm just going to... Just keep focusing on shape. Remember, composition, shape, details, tone, texture, and mass. All right, let's get this water in now, this water that we have. And I think all the tone I've been doing is straight up and down. So this water, I think I'm just going to make it more horizontal. And I sure hope that I just didn't ruin it. Now remember, tone. Tone is part of it, right? Tone is important here. So look at the picture. Look at the tone of the back of the boat to the water. You see that? This has got to be much darker here. And of course, then it has a reflection in the water. Okay, now I'm just going to go in there and darken in more of these values here. Remember, it all starts just with shape. All right, I think that's going to do it for today. Sorry for the connection at the beginning there, but I think we made up for it at the end. My name's Kurt. I'm a Daddy Draws, and this is how you do a quick sketch using a ballpoint pen and looking at your reference. So next time you go on vacation, bring your sketchbook with you and just try and walk through these steps. Get your composition down, then go in there and start breaking your big picture down in shape, and then focus on tone, texture, and mass. My name's Kurt. I'm Daddy Draws, and go out there, make your day great. Okay, bye-bye, everyone.
A dad who draws.